Motion Monster Puppy here, and I just got, let me count how much packets I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packets I'm going to be open today of Series 6. Yay! So, let's start. I already opened one before and I got her. What's her name again? Let's make sure which one is empty. Maybe I left one. Okay, anyways. There's none empty. Lurgy. And where is she? Trixie. I got Trixie and Lurgy. And the code card is Buster Trump Chop. And the code card is at the back under my finger. So yeah, let's just put the first one there. Next packet. Let's get my scissors. Let's see. So make sure I don't cut the code card there. Okay, so I got another Lurgy. Oh yeah, I forgot the code card is Lurgy, and I got the figure as well. And the other one is I got Stumper. Yay! I got Stumper. Stumper. I like his name. Let's open the second pack. Or maybe the third, because I already opened one before. But I got the code card is Dizzy Bolt, and our Moshlings are. I got the third Lurgy! And okay, so I got Billy Bob Bateman. Lurgy I don't really like now. She's getting a bit annoying. And just 3 packets I opened. And there's Lurgy in each one, I think. I think Lurgy is there. Let's see. No. Anyway, this Lurgy is number 49. Billy Bob Bateman is 25, because I forgot it in 29, 28, 29, and 32. So, my code card is Stompers. And our Mushlings are Pink Zombie again. I forgot. What's her name again? Dizzy Bolt. I like her because she's new. And then, oh my gosh, she's so sweet. Sweetie Blob. That. Next packet we're gonna open is. I think this is the 4th packet. It's supposed to be the 5th, but it's the 4th. Their code card is Buster. And we got the same as the first pack, I think. Yep. We got Lurgy. And Trixie. We got the same as that pack. I think we got a lot of Lurgy in these packs. And our next pack is Linton. Who I hope we get. We got a gold Lurgy. We got a golden one, but we got 4 of her. And we've got her. Look how much doubles. Look how much doubles, Nana. Nana. Doubles on the 1, 2. Uh-huh. But I got doubles. So sad. I didn't know that we could. Didn't know, but we could get doubles. Yeah, and we got Egan Grogany. And I hope we get it. Oh my gosh, we didn't get him. We got Linton. Oh my gosh. And we got another one of Sweeney Blob. Be careful here because there's the code card. Make sure I don't cut it. Our code card is Linton again. We got her again. And her again. I think the last pack. Please be a good one. Please be a good one. Please. Please. I didn't open this yet. Okay. Please be a good one. I think we got doubles. We got Billy Bob Bateman, who's walking in a creepy forest. We got Linton. And last one. Oh my gosh. We got Buster Blumchops. Oh my gosh. So yeah, those are all the packets. And yeah, when I ordered them from eBay, I saw 3, but now I'm gonna put some on eBay. So thanks for watching. Bye. Please like and subscribe.